For the final updates of today, we've got gold and Bitcoin. Starting off with gold on the 4-hour time frame, we can see we've had that break of structure in towards the downside, and this is currently the swing range that we're trading within. Now, we spoke about yesterday that this high is relatively strong because it liquidated something to the left, and therefore, just from a market structure perspective, I am expecting lower prices. If we have a look at where this might happen from, I would highlight this liquidity high as a major point where you could then look for the confirmation if we get it. However, right now you can argue that this demand zone is currently in control, and it would make sense to see a retracement towards this level, one more run up to sweep this liquidity before then looking for that real move in towards the downside. So I'm keeping my eye on both. I either want to see a long position from this level up towards this liquidity high if we haven't taken it, and the other option is once we actually get to that high, I want to then see the confirmation for a nice short position. If we go down onto the 1-hour time frame, it's slightly more clear. We can see we've got this 1-hour break of structure down, swing high, swing low. We've got this internal trend that's currently pushing price in towards the upside. It has sort of failed now. We are bearish. However, just because we haven't swept any major points of liquidity on a 4-hour time frame like this high here, I would like to just see one more run up before then seeing that real move in towards the downside play out. Moving on to Bitcoin, we can see on the daily time frame we've had that break of structure in towards the downside, followed by another break of structure in towards the downside, and this is the current swing range that we're trading within. Now, between the daily and the 4-hour time frame, there was two different positions I was looking at. A short position is favorable from this level, or a long position on the 4-hour up towards this level where you can then look to short back down upon confirmation. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is we said that it's lower probability because it is trading after that break of structure, and we would like to see that deeper pullback, but this is technically a 4-hour break of structure, and this is our 4-hour swing range. Now, a liquidation of this high then caused a demand zone to break, creating an area of supply, which you could have taken a position yesterday. It would have been a loss, unfortunately, on this one because it has wicked back up now and it would have taken out the supply zone. We didn't see that follow through down towards the lower the swing range, but we did understand that it was lower probability as it's more favorable to see that retracement on the daily time frame.